Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to file a dispute on AliExpress. So before filing a dispute on AliExpress, you should understand when you can do that. And you can do that when, for example, your order never arrived, or for example, it arrived but it came damaged, wrong, fake, or missing parts. Or for example, item doesn't match description. Okay, so let's open AliExpress and go to account at the bottom right corner of the screen and go to my orders section. Now you want to select which item you want to dispute for and tap on it to open its details. And now it should look like this. So it's order details page. And you need to find this button open dispute and basically press it. Then it will redirect you to dispute page, and now you should fill in this form. So the first thing is that you should select whether you want to have only refund or refund and return item. So select the first option when you want to keep your item and get money back, some part of money back. And you should select second option, return and refund, when you want to send your item back and get full refund. Then you should select the reason for your dispute. So tap this arrow and you will get a list of reasons, and just tap on one and basically this will be, you will select a reason. Then you want to enter a refund amount. So that means that you should enter full refund amount if your package didn't arrive at all, or partial refund amount if you want to keep your item but want some money back. Then you should explain why you're requesting your refund. So explain that in details, and in the very end you should upload some evidence. So upload photos, videos, screenshots. Basically this should be proof for your refund. And do not forget to submit it by pressing this red button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.